Welcome back. If you recall the days of looking at page after page after page of toys in the holiday catalogs that were mailed to your house, then listen up. The Meijer Toy Book is coming.
Yes. Circle all the stuff that you want, right? This offers the classic hands-on catalog approach so kids can circle their choices, share that with parents, other relatives. May Graceffa, she's the toy buyer from Meijer. She's joining us this morning. Hey, May, how are you?
Good morning, May.
How are you?
We
Great.
are super well. Now, in this catalog, there are special icons over some of these hot toys, right? That's what I'm looking for?
Correct. You are looking for the top toys this holiday season, and our toy book is going to tell you exactly which ones they are.
All right, well, don't keep us waiting too long. How about you let the cat out of the bag a little bit this morning?
Okay, you know what? We'll talk about a couple of these items right behind me. You know what? They are a lot of fun. We have Baby Yoda. I mean, who doesn't get cuter than Baby Yoda? I think, you know, I would say I think there's a couple parents out there that might be putting this one on their Christmas wish list. It's so cute. The Baby Yoda is super popular, and Mandalorian Season 2 is coming out, so it's right in time for that hot trend there. So he is going to be red hot this holiday season. And then, of course, who isn't hotter than Barbie? She is just red hot, and she's traveling in style this holiday season in her RV. So she's been quarantining at home, so she's ready for adventure, and she's ready to do it in her RV, which is right there. And then, of course, Lego. I mean, who doesn't love a pirate ship? This one right here is also red hot and ready to go. So I would say those are some of our top toys. Last but not least, I mean, this flamingo here. It's a gotta go flamingo, and it ends up, you know, you can feed it, you can love it, and you can watch it go. So who doesn't love a little bit of fun there? So I think, you know, as we look at the holiday season, it's all about fun and you know, having the kids have a little bit of good time.
I think I see some Lego back there too, right?
Yeah, he said the pirate ship.
The pirate ship? Okay, yeah, I missed it. So there's oh, there it is. Oh my goodness,
How could you miss this? Look at this.
Oh,
that
I built this one myself with my kids. It was beautiful.
Did you really?
How long did it take you to do that?
Good.
How long?
Oh, you know what?
Days.
Don't ask.
Days.
Okay, well, I did.
It was a labor of love, let me tell you. My kids and I had a lot of fun, but it did take a little bit of time. But you know what? We have a little bit of extra time on our hands these days, so it ended up working out just perfect.
That's a plus for me. I like extra time with them, so it doesn't have to be a quick task. We can spend days doing those Legos. And the part of the catalog, you know, we remember growing up, you know, the catalogs would come in and you circle what you want, but you got like coloring in there too, right? Like, you could actually color your wish list. Yeah.
Oh yeah, so we wanted the toy book to be more interactive than ever, and so we gave the kids a spot to be able to make their own list. So they can color, they can enter a sweepstake, and then they can show their parents exactly what they want this holiday season. So we thought we would make it more interactive than ever, and you know, families these days have a lot more time together, and so we made this toy book much more interactive than we have in years past. So that is definitely a newness to this year.
Smart move.
And then I see some special sweepstakes that's happening until December 20th?
Correct. Every single week, if your kids enter the sweepstakes, which is on this page, so I don't know if you can see it, but you can enter a sweepstakes, and every single week we're giving away a $100 gift card. So that can cover off some of your new holiday toys right there.
Yeah, that's Baby Yoda in my pocket. That's what that is. That $100 gift card. Great.
The Blue's Clues behind you. Does he do something or?
He does. He sings and he dances and he has his own guitar even. And so for those of us that were around for Blue's Clues Generation 1, which, you know, some of us might have been, myself included, really love being able to share that with their kids now. And so he's back with a new show, and he has a lot of different things that he does. He dances and he sings and he plays the guitar. So
yeah, I'm the great aunt that likes to buy. I have a great nephew that really needs some annoying, like louder toys, and I really have my eye on that. Yeah,
I'm sure they'll appreciate that.
That's your way to go then.
Okay, cool.
And I also heard that just by spending $100, you're saving money no matter what, right?
Of course. The value is always there.
That $15 off when shoppers spend $100 on items from the toys and sporting goods. So I mean, you got an instant 15% off right there.
Great.
Yeah, love it. Yeah. Want more information? Go to Meijer.com and get that Meijer Toy Book. Don't forget, save it. When you see it in the mail, go over it with the kids and let them color in. Who knows, could win that gift card.
That's right. Hey, thanks for your time, May.